What's the meaning of curtain raiser? Curtain raiser. Curtain raiser.
Curtain raiser. Curtain raiser. A curtain raiser typically refers to a short performance or event that takes place before the main attraction, which is intended to get the audience excited and set the tone for what's to come. This term is often used in theater and other live performances. The primary purpose of a curtain raiser is to build anticipation and engage the audience, making them more receptive to the main event. Overall, a curtain raiser is like an opening act that sets the stage for the show to follow.